Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your Google Chat ID as well as your direct message and space IDs. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.google.com. Once the page loads, log into your Google account if you haven't already. This will bring you to your main Google Chat interface where you can access all your conversations and spaces. Now, to find your Google Chat ID, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu that displays your account information. Right at the top, you'll see your email address. This email address is actually your Google Chat ID. It's the unique identifier that people use to find and message you on Google Chat. Next, let's move on to finding your direct message ID and space ID. These IDs are useful when you need to reference specific conversations or integrate Google Chat with other tools and applications. To locate these, you'll need to open either a direct message or a space from your chat list. For this example, let's click on any direct message conversation you have. Simply select one from your list of chats on the left side of the screen. Once you've opened the direct message, look up at your browser's address bar where the URL is displayed. You'll notice the URL contains several segments. After the main domain, you'll see the word chat followed by a /. The string of characters that comes immediately after chat/ is your direct message ID. This unique code identifies that specific conversation and can be used for various purposes like sharing the conversation or setting up integrations. The same exact process applies if you want to find your space ID. Simply click on any space from your chat list instead of a direct message. Once the space opens, look at the URL in your address bar again. Just like before, you'll see chat/ followed by a unique string of characters. That string is your space ID, which specifically identifies that particular space. And that's it. You've now located your Google Chat ID, direct message ID, and space ID. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.